Right, I didn't expect to say this. After years of broken promises, the new Siri AI is finally here on the iOS 27 beta, and the early reactions surprising. People are saying it's actually good, so let's have a look. What it can it do? What's powering it? And what's the catch? Because there's always a catch. So, what's it doing well? Quite a lot. Testers are using it for real trip planning, and it shows its sources like Gemini. It builds shortcuts just by asking. It does personal context search, like finding photos of your nephew over the years. It's aware of what's on your screen. And with permission, it ties your apps together. It can even fill some web forms like changing a compromised password. Now, here's the bit everyone's arguing about. What's actually powering it? And honestly, a lot of Google. The clever cloud stuff leans on Google's Gemini. That's the reported deal. But the on device models are Apple's own, called AFM3, a small core model, and a bigger advanced one, distilled using Google's Gemma. So, yes, part Gemini, but here's the real difference. Privacy. Apple says it doesn't train on or keep your data. That's the pitch. Gemini's brain, Apple's on device models, and your data stays yours. Right, the honest report card, because it's not all sunshine. It can't chain commands. Ask it to play music and open Instagram, and it does one. The password changing trick is flaky. It grabs the code but fails to type it in and only works on a few sites. Apple Music matching is still hit or miss, and no CarPlay or HomePod yet. Plus, it's a dev beta behind a waitlist that needs to index your stuff first. So, who gets this? It's on the iOS 27 beta behind a waitlist that indexes your data first. The most advanced bits, the fancier dictation and voices, need more memory, so Pro and Air only. But the base iPhone 17 still gets core Siri AI, and the big asterisks in the EU, you don't get it at launch, thanks to the Digital Markets Act. Europe's waiting again. So the verdict, cautiously good, a useful private assistant that's finally caught up with Gemini doing the heavy lifting. The irony, Apple promised this years ago and couldn't deliver until now. Tell me below, would you trust Siri AI over Gemini or ChatGPT?